founder of a Gift of the Givers, Dr. Amias Soliman, has criticized the government of national unity and say, this is the government of selections. We just pick and choose who we want to work with and who we don't want to work with. But really, this government has got nothing to do with the advancement of the country. And I just think I'm joking. I'm reading from an article written by Usiabonga Stole, Gui IOL, saying the NGU, the heading of the article says, why do I keep saying NGU? It's GNU, is Government of Selective Unity, not a national unity, Dr. Solomon. The question that I want you to ask is, where do you think the man was going? Is he not speaking about EEFF or the exclusion of EMK party and as well as EEFF? You know what I'm saying? I'm just asking. I'm just asking. Why do you think he's speaking the way he is? What do you think is in it is in his mind? But okay, let me read this heading. It says, founder of Gift of the Givers, Dr. Amtiaz Soliman, one of the country's leading community outreach program in the continent, has poured cold water over the government of national unity led by the ANC and the DA. This comes after Cyril Ramaphosa was being inaugurated at the Union buildings on Wednesday. I will say that when they were told that this is not a government of national unity, others were very quick to defend that decision and say, "Oh, you're lying! Yeah. They're chest pains! Yeah. I don't know who to manje bafila kanjani because they're being told this government is not a government of national unity; it's a government of self-interest. It really has nothing to do with people. It's all to do with selfish ambitions by other people. Really, Name, I fully concur with the fact that this is not a government of national unity. Just look at the way just look at the way EDA respond to this thing. That's when you will realize that, the way DA respond to this, it's like they've got ownership over this thing. It's like they are behaving like not even like a firstborn. I was going to say they are behaving like a one and only child where they are given inheritance. Now they begin even to rule their own parents. That is the GUN. That's how they behave here. And it's very strange the way ETA is behaving. So you can't really say it is the government of national unity. It's not a government of national unity, but it is a government of selectives. I fully agree with the Gift of the Givers. But before we go there, guys, Nami, I fully agree that we do this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel. And you know what I'm saying? We'll bring you more. And also, guys, want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Soliman was interviewed by Newsroom Africa prior to Ramaphosa's official inauguration for his second term of office. Was blindly when he was asked about one prayer ahead of the appointment of Ramaphosa's 7th administration cabinet. He says, I quote, I think the government the government has made a mistake. I thought it was a government of national unity, GNU, but it is a government of selective unity. I don't think, but I know I am saying they should bring Uti, they should bring in the EFF and the MK party because essentially it is one party. The EFF, COP, MK, and ANC are one party, but they are but why have you divided yourself? That's another person says, bring the other people. Where Solomon, let me tell you this, Solomon. They will never bring these people because they are owned by local EDA has said that Bona. They said that Bona, they will never work with the MK party. It's funny that the MK, the DA has got a problem with MK party. They've got a problem with EFF, and then Ramaphosa decide in favor of a DA. It shows the preferential goes to DA, and it's still termed as the government of national unity. And a lot of people have come, have said that no. This is not a government of national unity. But people are not willing to listen because why? They are willing to sell the propaganda. The propaganda that is being sold by mainstream media, papers are writing nonsense about it. The market wants this. This is nonsense, right? But let me repeat the words of this man. He says, I think the government has made a mistake. I thought it was the government of it was the government of national unity, but it is the government of selective unity. I don't think, but I know I am saying they should bring in EFF and MK party because essentially it is one party. The EFF, COP, MK, and NC are one party. But why have you divided yourself? He continued. Last week, Salamas reflected on the issue of Israel and Palestine, saying the court case against the Israel state cannot be stopped and urged the ANC to consider this when making the coalition. They've already made a coalition with the DA, by the way. He said the ANC government must be very careful about what partnership and what coalition they make in this in this country for a new government, because I don't want Naledi Pandor to be removed. When it comes to the NGO, and you know what? Let's speak about the Naledi Pandor story. You know, I never thought that woman would be removed. Why? Because to be quite honest, I think she was one of the hardworking women there. Right? There are many ministers that needed to get sacked. Not that one. But yeah, they've done what they said. When it comes to the GNU, philanthropist added, we need to overcome the egos, the differences, and go back to our roots, our values for humanity. We need to sit together and solve our problems together. Yes, this is one of the biggest mistakes the ANC is making. I don't think they are thinking clearly. I don't think they are thinking for them. Look, they are thinking. I don't think they are thinking for themselves. They are outsiders influencing thinking for them, including foreign powers and foreign powers and influences. How can you have GNU while you excluded people who have been in the trenches with you? Hey, wait, doctor. I can tell you this, that this was meant to punish the EFF and the MK party and everybody else that does not agree with the concept of anything that the DA is supporting. You will remember, guys, let me give you a bit of a history. One of the member of Gift of the Givers was killed in Palestine. So Gift of the Givers sent their people to Palestine. So you can see the standing of Gift of the Givers. They stand with the people of Palestine. So by virtue of doing that, they associated themselves with the stand of the ANC, the stand of MK Party, the stand of EFF, because they are saying free Palestinians, right? But then when you invite the DA who was pro-Israelite, so you are creating a conflict of interest. You can't go in bed with your enemy. The DA recently, they were allowed, they were removing people who are saying free Palestinians and painting building in Cape Town who are saying free Palestine. Now you are going in bed with them. What is going to happen there? So you get the point. Ramaphosa is a sellout of note, and it shows that he can't work. Kusho Malema wathi Ramaphosa cannot work except he gets supervised. And now I believe it. And in fact, he says he cannot function except he gets supervised by white people. Right? Now I believe it. Like, I mean, why will you do what you have just done? Was there a need for that? Definitely not, but he just did it anyway.